Hey guys, welcome to Silent Secrets. You guys, so today's tutorial is gonna be bridal hairstyle. Okay, actually, it's a traditional bridal hairstyle because my baby's wedding and this is a bridal look. So, okay, it's actually meant to be on a natural hair, but due to the fact that she had a wig on, a frontal wig, I just try as much as possible to construct something to be very unique. So we begin by combing the wig and trying to pack it at the center of her hair or the middle of her hair because we just want to create this bridal hairstyle. So we're gonna pack the hair and it will so resemble a natural packing. So the next step is I've already done my hair padding. I'm gonna give out the tutorial later, but for now I've already padded some things using expression attachment and a wig net to pad it up. As you can see, that's what I'm trying to add to the wig. That black stuff is what I'm trying to use a hair pad. I've already done that, so I'm trying to add the extension to create this bun look. And for the hair padding to hold on to the hair, you're gonna have to sew it with a needle and thread to the hair. But this is a wig, so you have to sew it anyway directly to the wig in order for it to stand on its own without being removed or anything. Hair padding is in form of a bun, a round circle bun, so you have to sew it in a round pattern. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, guys. I promise this channel is going to be entertaining and educating. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell down below. You're gonna have to stay up, man. I have a lot of things to give you guys this time around. I'm for real. So I wanted a double layer bun padded kind of hairstyle. So I'm trying to add another layer on top of the one that I've already sewed directly to her wig. So you still use the same pattern, you still sew it round, but this one is I'm sewing it part to part, like bun to bun. That's what I'm trying to do right now.
How can I feel the joy of being with you? How can I chase the pain away for good? Well, this is calling me, all is not true. I bring some mistletoe with me. Christmas is waiting for you. It'll never start without you, never start without you. Christmas is all about you. I see everywhere around the fairies of December. You, I see everywhere around the fairies of December. You.
So guys, I did the Mali braid outside the camera and I couldn't show it up, but as usual it's still to follow the bond pattern. It's still like put the braided stuff just round the bone. I don't really know how to explain this, but if you're watching the video you're gonna understand what I'm trying to do. And after that I'm going to add the beads and other accessories to decorate it. So guys, you all stay tuned and stay blessed, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. The silent secret, I'm going to give you guys the best. And guys, subscribe, come on, subscribe, like the video. If you have comments you can put it down. I have more juicy stuff to bring towards this channel. I love you guys, stay blessed, thank you.
Like an angel in the morning, shooting star across the night. The most beautiful girl I've seen in all my life. Every second spent with you, it's like a day that starts brand new. Girl, I'm so amazed at all the things you do. Yes, I wanna build my whole world around you. So I promise you forever and for always. And girl, you are my sunshine, baby, don't you go away. I want me, all over me, already alive me. I will love you forever. I want me, all over me, already alive me. I will love you forever. I hear music in your words and in the way you call my name. When you're by my side, I can't do anything. You're my best friend, you're my lover. Without you, no one else would do. Through thick and thin, I know we'll make it true. Yes, I wanna build my whole world around you. So I promise you forever and for always. Girl, you are my sunshine, baby, don't you go away. I want me, all over me, already alive on me. Say I will love you forever. I want me, all over me, already alive on me. I will love you forever. My baby, you are my sunshine, my lover, my essence. There's no one like you. My baby, and you are my sunshine, my lover, my essence. There's no one like you. You are me, all over me, already alive. Say I will love you forever. Oh, you are me, all over me, already alive. Say I will love you forever. My sugar, my honey, my lover, I will love you forever. My baby, my lover, and my best friend, I will love you forever. I place no woman above you. I will love you forever. I promise to always love you, baby. I will love you forever. And there's no one that comes close. I will love you